guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you know, today I am going to show you the detailed review of Bobbi Brown foundation. So this is not my first purchase. I actually purchased this product last year. So for any high-end foundation like this, you need to prep your skin very well. So I applied a good amount of moisturizer on my face, that is the Nivea Body Milk. In case you have oily skin, you can directly skip this step. Now let's come to the primer. I'm using the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. Normally for other foundations, I only apply the primer under my eyes and on the bridge of my nose. But for this particular foundation, I had to use it all over my face. I'm going to tell you the reason why at the end of this video. Now here comes the foundation Bobbi Brown. The cost of this is 4,000 and you can see the consistency of the foundation. It's not at all runny like the other foundations. Since I have a dry skin and I know how it feels on my skin, I'm going to blend it with my moisturizer and then apply with a foundation brush. Now while applying this foundation, you must listen to this. Please apply the foundation on your face with a foundation brush. I can recommend you my Pro Arte foundation brush. I would never tell you to apply this with a beauty sponge or beauty blender because it's quite expensive, and with the use of beauty sponge there will be a lot of wastage. The product is not at all runny, so most of it will get soaked by the beauty blender. So first use the foundation brush to apply the product evenly and for blending it. Once you are done, you can definitely smudge the end with the beauty blender. Now you can see the difference between the forehead and cheek where I have already applied the foundation. I'm going to apply 2 layers of this foundation and not cake up my face. Since I have applied the foundation earlier also, I have been using this for last 1 year. I must say you that this foundation will definitely give you a rich, dewy look which you are expecting from Bobbi Brown, because they have created this foundation with the purpose to give a more natural glow to the skin rather than making your skin look fairer or something like that. So yes, if you are going for a nude look, definitely this is the right choice for you. However, if you have blemishes, dark spots and you want a good coverage, this is not the one for you. I don't like the coverage of Bobbi Brown. It's really not up to the mark. Even if cheap foundations like Fit Me and L'Oreal Infallible gives better coverage than Bobbi Brown does. So I literally had to use this Fit Me concealer to cover my dark circles so that I can just show this look to you guys. I'm just applying a blush because I want to show you how the end result looks like. So it's definitely dewy and I'm going to do the light test for you guys. So under sunlight when you're going out, this is how your skin would look like. As you can see, it's so shiny and glowy. But again, if you look closely, the coverage is not that great. So I'm going to give a 4.1 out of 5. So guys, I hope you liked the video and all the details about the product. If you have further queries, comment down below. Thank you so much for your patience. Now keep watching my channel for some upcoming videos.